The goal of the following experiment is to prepare immiscible polymer brush systems and compare them to traditional miscible polymer brush systems by measuring the frictional response to relative sliding motion for both systems using friction force microscopy. This is achieved by starting with two sets of silicon surfaces and grafting P-NiPAM onto one set and PMMA onto the other. These will be the flat polymer brush surfaces used to form one part of the polymer brush systems. As a second step, begin with a gold colloid attached to a silicon atomic force microscopy cantilever and graft PMMA onto it to make a force measurement probe. This will also form the second part of the polymer brush system. Next, mount the force measurement probe into an atomic force microscope. Mount a solvated PMMA brush surface as a sample to measure friction for miscible brush systems. Mount a solvated P-NiPAM brush surface to measure friction for immiscible brush systems. The results show that the friction for immiscible systems is approximately 1% of the friction for the traditional miscible systems, as measured by friction force microscopy.
One key advantage of our technique over existing methods based on industrial oils is that a low viscosity liquid is kept in the contact even when conditions are harsh at the microscopic scale, as it happens when you have surface irregularities bumping into each other. Unlike traditional brush systems, our brushes do not interpenetrate because of a fluid-fluid interface as you have it between vinegar and oil in a salad dressing. Because brushes no longer interpenetrate, friction is reduced. Even more important